The FerroCheck 2000 is a high-precision analyzer that measures total ferrous in both oil and grease. It can be used in commercial oil analysis laboratories, and because it is battery-powered, the FerroCheck can be used in the field when reliability professionals must quickly identify abnormal machine wear conditions. Monitoring the progression of wear particle concentration in oil provides key data for condition-based maintenance. When machine wear occurs, the overall concentration of wear particles increases. A significant increase in large wear particles indicates severe wear, but particles larger than 10 microns are difficult for common laboratory elemental analysis, such as ICP or RDE spectroscopy, to detect. The FerroCheck 2000 is designed to provide an excellent solution: total ferrous measurement. With sensitivity to both large and small particles, it can quickly and easily analyze wear metals in oils. The FerroCheck uses two precision-wound coils that create a carefully controlled magnetic field within a small space. Placing the oil sample within this magnetic field causes iron present in the oil to interact with the field, creating currents in the coil set. The FerroCheck then senses these currents and converts them to ppm readings.
This is Spectro Scientific's new FerroCheck instrument, which is used for measuring ferrous content of your oil samples. Taking a measurement is actually quite simple. All you do is you take your oil sample and you pour it into the container we provide, right up to the fill line. And you press go or run on the front of the instrument. It'll run a background measurement for a few seconds, prompt you to drop it in, wait a couple seconds while it does the measurement. The instrument is quite versatile. It's powered with batteries so that you can take it out in the field. It measures down into the parts per million, or all the way up to the percent level of iron, and it can see particles down from nanometers all the way up to millimeters in size. A couple seconds later, the instrument will beep, and there we are, 53 parts per million concentration in that sample. The FerroCheck Model 2100 enables you to take grease measurements using the same concept that we applied in the FerroCheck 2000. To facilitate this, we provide a small consumable that allows you to capture grease samples from the sample you took in the field. You simply scoop it into the consumable. What's important is that we not have air bubbles in there, so we're going to pack it a little bit with the spatula and look at the back and make sure there are no gaps in the sample. Give it a quick wipe off the top, quickly wipe off the back. We've got a nice consistent size sample, and then it goes in actually the same consumable that we use for oil, the same tube. It slides right in there all the way to the bottom. You can feel it snug. Now you come to the instrument and we're going to do the measurement. You got to switch to the grease analysis. So you hit the analysis button, you choose the grease range or calibration, you hit done, and then the procedure for actually running the instrument is the same as it was for oil. You hit run, you drop the sample in, and in 30 seconds you have your result.
The FerroCheck makes accurate, repeatable total ferrous measurements in less than 30 seconds, with only 1.5 milliliters of oil and no need for chemical solvents. It measures up to 1% of ferrous concentration in oil. In a recent interlaboratory study, results among all participating users were within 4% relative standard deviation for 12 samples with up to 3,000 ppm of iron and showed excellent reproducibility. Repeatable and reproducible data helps to better trend and manage all assets in the field, a significant benefit for a service team using multiple units to support a large customer. In the field, a portable instrument is subjected to a wide range of ambient temperature changes, but the FerroCheck's results remain very stable. The coil set is balanced before each measurement, so the effect of ambient temperature variation is removed from the final result. In a recent study, an oil sample with 35 ppm of ferrous particles was measured at 10, 25, 40, 50, and 22 degrees Celsius for a few hours repeatability. The result showed the measurement readings were well within the published spec. The FerroCheck is ideal for monitoring ferrous wear in gearboxes, engines, hydraulics, transmissions, and compressors. In the field, it provides simple, rapid measurements to test for large ferrous wear particles in rotating machinery, as well as basic wear tests for all asset types. In the laboratory, it offers reliable measurements on a wide range of samples, with no sample prep or solvents required. And the FerroCheck complements other Spectro Scientific analyzers for basic engine, fleet, and industrial solutions. Spectro Scientific. Confidence in knowing.